The Czech Republic feels like a living fairy tale, where cobblestone streets, shadowed castles, and quiet towns carry centuries of beauty, mystery, and forgotten stories. What if behind Prague's famous skyline lie places even more powerful, where history whispers softly and time seems to slow with every step you take? Today, we journey through Prague's streets and far beyond, uncovering hidden towns, silent castles, and landscapes that reveal the Czech soul. Prague, Old Town Square. Prague's Old Town Square pulses with life beneath Gothic towers and colorful facades, where centuries of trade, celebration, and conflict shaped Europe's heart. Standing here, you feel watched by history itself, as if every stone remembers footsteps long forgotten. Charles Bridge, stone and shadows. Charles Bridge stretches across the Vltava River, guarded by silent statues that have witnessed sunrise prayers, midnight whispers, and countless human destinies. Crossing it at dawn or dusk feels hauntingly intimate, as though the bridge chooses who may truly understand its soul. Prague Castle, power above the city. Prague Castle looms above the city as the largest ancient castle complex in the world, symbolizing power, faith, and control across generations. Walking its courtyards reveals how beauty and authority often coexist, casting long shadows over history. Lesser Town, quiet elegance. Mala Strana hides beneath Prague Castle, with Baroque streets, pastel buildings, and peaceful corners untouched by crowds. This district rewards those who slow down, offering moments of calm where the city finally exhales. Jewish Quarter, memory in silence. Prague's Jewish Quarter preserves synagogues, cemeteries, and stories shaped by survival, loss, and resilience. The silence here feels heavy, reminding visitors that beauty and tragedy often stand side by side. Kutna Hora, Church of Bones. Kutna Hora's Sedlec ossuary confronts visitors with a chilling chapel decorated entirely from human bones. This unsettling beauty forces reflection on mortality, reminding us how thin the line is between life, faith, and death. Český Krumlov, a living fairy tale. Český Krumlov winds along a river beneath a towering castle, preserving medieval streets untouched by modern chaos. Wandering here feels unreal, as if time paused centuries ago and never restarted. Karlovy Vary, healing waters. Karlovy Vary's elegant colonnades and thermal springs attracted royalty, artists, and seekers of renewal for generations. Steam rises from the earth like quiet hope, promising healing both physical and emotional. Bohemian Switzerland, nature's drama. Bohemian Switzerland reveals towering sandstone formations, deep forests, and natural arches carved by time itself. Hiking here feels adventurous and slightly dangerous, reminding travelers that nature remains powerful and unpredictable. Telch, painted perfection. Telch's colorful Renaissance houses surround a peaceful square that feels carefully preserved like a masterpiece. Few expect such harmony, making the town feel almost unreal in its quiet perfection. Olomouc, faith and forgotten grandeur. Olomouc hides Baroque fountains, grand churches, and a holy column richer in detail than many capitals. Its quiet streets hold immense beauty, waiting patiently for travelers who look beyond Prague. Brno, youth and underground secrets. Brno balances student energy with dark underground tunnels and ossuaries hidden beneath the city. Exploring below the surface reveals how much history still sleeps unseen. Czech castles, echoes of power. Castles, scattered across the countryside, rise from forests and hills like forgotten guardians. Each ruin and tower whispers stories of battles, betrayals, and vanished empires. The Czech Republic reveals itself slowly, through shadows, silence, beauty, and moments that linger long after you leave. This journey through Prague's streets and beyond proves that some countries are not just seen, they are deeply felt.